Okay, so number 4, it's asking for the gravity flow rate, which is a little more difficult. So it's saying your doctor ordered 1,500 mLs of D5W and he wants it to be done in 10 hours. The nurse doesn't have a pump, so she's going to infuse it by gravity with tubing that has a drop factor of 15 drops per milliliter. How many drops per minute is the nurse going to calibrate to infuse the fluid? So with drops per minute, it always has to be a whole number. So even if you get a decimal, you need to either round up or round down. All right, so you have your 1,500 milliliters, and it has to be infused over 10 hours. And you know that the tubing you're using is 15 drops per minute or per milliliter. All right, so for this one, the drop factor, you're going to set it up a little bit differently. So in 1 milliliter of fluid, there's 15 drops. So you have 1,500 milliliters, so you're going to have to multiply the two of them. So then you would do 1,500 times 15, and that gives you 22,500. All right. And then, so now that you have that, that's how many drops total you have. So then you know it has to be over 10 hours. So then you're going to divide those two. Which gives you 2250. And then you're going to divide that by 60. So the 60 is coming from, so the 22,500 was your total drops. The 10 is your hours. So that means that you're getting 2,250 drops per hour. So the 60 is your number of minutes. So that way it gives you how many minutes, because the factor that you're looking for is drops per minute. So then we divided all that out and it gave you 37.5. But because it's drops per minute, you're going to have to round up because it has to be a whole number. So then your answer would be 38.